The core question many homeowners ask is whether tankless water heaters need expansion tanks. The answer is generally no, but there are important exceptions we need to understand. Tankless water heaters heat water on demand as it flows through the unit. Unlike traditional tank water heaters, they don't store large volumes of hot water, which means minimal thermal expansion occurs. The exception occurs in closed plumbing systems. A closed system has components like backflow preventers, check valves, or pressure-reducing valves that prevent water from returning to the main supply line. Pressure-reducing valves and other control components create closed systems where heated water cannot expand back into the main supply. This can cause pressure buildup, making an expansion tank necessary. This diagram shows a recommended installation where an expansion tank is included. The expansion tank manages pressure in closed systems with pressure-reducing valves and other control components. Always consult your local plumbing codes and a professional plumber to determine the specific requirements for your tankless water heater setup. They can evaluate whether your system is closed and if an expansion tank is necessary. In summary, while tankless water heaters generally don't require expansion tanks due to their on-demand heating design, closed plumbing systems may necessitate their installation to manage thermal expansion and pressure buildup. Understanding whether your plumbing system is closed or open is crucial for determining if you need an expansion tank with your tankless water heater. A closed system has backflow preventers, check valves, or pressure-reducing valves that prevent water from returning to the main supply line. This traps expanding water inside your plumbing. When water heats up in a closed system, it expands but has nowhere to go. This creates dangerous pressure spikes that can damage your plumbing, cause leaks, and wear out fixtures. An expansion tank solves this problem. It's a pressure vessel connected to your water supply that absorbs excess pressure from thermal expansion. Inside the expansion tank is a rubber bladder that separates compressed air from water. When water expands, it pushes against the bladder, compressing the air and relieving pressure in your system. The 2012 International Plumbing Code doesn't universally require expansion tanks for all tankless heaters, but it does mandate controlling thermal expansion in closed systems, especially when storage tanks are involved. Installing an expansion tank is a smart investment that protects your plumbing from damage, prevents leaks, and reduces wear on fixtures. It's especially important in closed systems or areas with high water pressure.